Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make a horizontal video into a vertical format. Let's begin. If you want to convert a horizontal video into a vertical format in Capcut, it's quite simple because it is one of the useful technique, especially for platforms like Instagram Stories, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. Because as we all know, social media platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts prioritize vertical videos for better viewer engagement. So how we can do it? First of all, you need to open the Capcut app, and then from there, you might want to click on the new project to begin your work, or to work from scratch. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it to begin editing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. You would notice I have a vertical video, but how did I convert that? So what I'm going to do is to create a new project from scratch. And I'm going to upload this specific photo here, which has a horizontal orientation. Now, for you to convert it to a vertical video, all I have to do is go to the bottom where it says aspect ratio. All right, it's very easy. And then you need to choose from any of the following options. You have the TikTok, which is 9:16, and the this one 3:4, 5.8, and a lot more. So I'm going to choose the TikTok, which has a vertical view. What will happen is it will be automatically converted to a vertical video. Now, if you want to click the check button here, if you want to occupy the whole space here, you just have to select the video right here and then use your fingers to maximize the photo right here, and then you have been able to create a vertical video out of the horizontal orientation from the earlier. All right, and once you're happy with this, right, create some effects and transitions, because a vertical format like this, as we noticed, is often better for a short form content and works well for videos that focus on a single subject. All right, like reactions or like what we do, tutorials. Vertical videos take up more screen on space or mobile devices, offering a more immersive viewing experience. And once you're happy with it, click on the export button on top of your screen. Click it. If you want to save a copy of this, maybe send it to your boss or to your client for feedback, or if you want to share it to different platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Stories, and WhatsApp, you have the option to do that. All right. And basically, that's how you able to easily convert a horizontal video into a vertical one. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.